In this episode of Walking Tours, I will explore how you can transfer between Bugis and Esplanade MRT stations. The most direct journey between Bugis and Esplanade would require you to take the downtown line from Bugis to Promenade and then the Circle line from Promenade to Esplanade, taking at least 4 minutes and an adult fare of up to 95 cents. Now, it is claimed in the 2017 system map that the walking transfer between the two stations would take 11 minutes. Although the claimed 4 minutes trip by train doesn't take into account the waiting time for the two trains along the way, chances are that you will still be faster making the transfer by train than walking. So, nobody in their right mind will probably make the walk on foot, unless they are trying to get here from adjacent developments. This video hence serves as more of a sightseeing video of what is going on along the southern stretch of Beach Road, rather than something practical. The journey starts with me finding my way to a secluded corridor leading to Exit D, which greatly contrasts with the ceaseless crowds within the shopping district of Bugis. Why is nobody heading there? Let's see. Exit D leads me into the middle of a construction wasteland. The exit is sited right at the heart of a brand new integrated development with office, retail, and residential components, Guoco Midtown II. Unfortunately, this series was made a few years too early for this, so perhaps I will remaster this walking journey some years from now. In the meantime, my walk meanders through this diversion passageway which eventually dumps me right into a car park street. Quee Lan Street is its name. Here, I hurriedly scurry across the street and head beneath the 5-footways, turning left as I make a beeline towards Beach Road. Now, the fact that the previous development was called Guoco Midtown II suggests that it is a sequel to a certain development. And yes, it is. Guoco Midtown I can be seen here, right across Beach Road, with an old police station preserved and integrated into it. All of these integrated developments that are springing up currently along Beach Road form a part of the urban renewal strategy being taken to revitalize the Ophir Rocher precinct. There are many new developments behind me as well, such as Dual Tower and the Gateway. I will mention even more of them as I make my way southwards towards Esplanade MRT station. That will require me to cross Beach Road, but for now, I will just negotiate my way amongst the eateries and hotels after crossing Liangxia Street. I have now reached the intersection of Beach Road with Middle Road, where I await two traffic phases that will allow me to cross to the opposite corner. It is now time to cross to what used to be the shoreline of colonial Singapore. The island has really expanded a lot over the past century from land reclamation. Here, you may notice that there seems to be a left-in left-out slip lane that appears to lead into nowhere. Well, it used to lead into the car park of the old Shaw's Tower, which was recently demolished as it makes way for a brand new successor building of the same name. Did you notice that the intersection is rather crooked? That is because Middle Road got extended back in the early 2000s, unfortunately with Shaw Towers in the way. Now, I approach South Beach, the last integrated development that will be mentioned in this video, which opened in 2016. Here, my walk starts to deviate from the sidewalk of Beach Road. After passing by some conserved military buildings of the old Beach Road camp, I'm going to head right through the middle of the South Beach development. Here, South Beach composes of two towers with hotel, office, and residential components, and shops beneath, lined along an axis composed of tiered gardens and courtyards that gradually descend to meet an entrance into Esplanade MRT station. Enjoy the sights and sounds along the way. I have now entered Esplanade MRT station by exit F. Just a few more escalators to go, and I will reach the fare gates of the station. At 12 and 1/4 minutes, I entered the fare gates of Esplanade. At this point, I will soon be approaching the platform where I can board the trains on the Circle Line. With that, we have come to the end of this episode of Walking Tours. This is Transit Evolution, signing off.